Without further ado, we're gonna be checking out NewJeans ASAP official MV. This finally came out. Thank the Lord, because I've been waiting for this. I get to finally see the choreo, right? It's the choreo, because I remember in TikTok when they teased the ish out of ASAP. TikTok, tick, 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 tick. Like everybody just doing their own like choreo. So I'm finally we get to see one. I don't know. Anyways, without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. NewJeans ASAP official. Whoa, that was. Oh yeah, the rabbit.
Hi, it's me again, I'm back. Let's talk ASAP.
ASAP?
Do you have the time?
No, I don't.
Let's talk ASAP, baby.
Is this some creepy stuff in the background? Because it's like dark. And it's like night vision.
ASAP, baby. Hurry up, don't say maybe. 할 얘기 다 한 줄 알고 빨간색 눌러. 끊고 나니 생각나서 다시 또 울려. There's this one more thing I'll show you.
Oh, someone like.
With me, so much to do and lot to see.
Just for a minute. Tick tack, tick tack, tick 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 tick. Me at Coachella with my girlies. Just for a minute. Tick tack, tick tack, tick 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 tick. I bet you some people are gonna be dressed up like that Headed Clouds or Lollapalooza. Whoa! What the fuck? May P. Oh, they're cute. What is this? Get it? Get it? Get it? Get it? Tick 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 tick. What are they doing? Are they summoning something? What's happening?
Let's talk ASAP.
ASAP?
Do you have the time?
No, I don't.
Let's talk ASAP, baby. Hurry up, don't be lazy. ASAP, baby.
Ooh, oh, I got mine. I got mine. I got my light stick. I had to. I caved. I bought it. If you want to see an unboxing, check out my TikTok.
Hurry up, don't say maybe.
Whoa. Did you just let her hold a green screen?
ASAP,
Ooh,
baby.
okay.
Hurry up, don't save. Hurry up, don't save. Just for a minute.
Those are carrots, basically. You know what I expect? You know what I think of ASAP? Of all the songs? This is just a vibe. It's a whole mood board, their whole EP. So, however, I've heard, like, I had different discussions with everybody, like, how they think about, like, NewJeans' new EP. Like, some people were, like, liking it, or they just wanted more. Of course, I want more. I always want more from, like, you know, the music. But it really feels like a mood board. It feels like a vibe as a whole. And I'm not mad at it. It's a lot different for sure. It's a lot more lax. It's vibey, but I'm in that kind of vibe. Like, I've been looking for, like, vibey things, like, chill things. And I think, and I know, actually, NewJeans kind of, like, feels that for me as a person. It's like, as I go out through my day. Oh, the lore is, like, the bunnies. Not them, but the bunnies itself that are stalking them are actually cute. Yeah, what are those things? These shots are pretty creepy too, and like artsy, quote unquote. I mean, based on what the people of Adore worked on before, I kind of see like the same feel. I mean, like the you know what I mean. Like these things, what is that? That's kind of creepy.
ASAP, baby. Hurry up, don't say maybe.
Like this, like, so they're like
ASAP, baby.
from another life form. You know, that part's so simple, but I mess with it. I wonder if they had like other versions of it, like if they added more instrumentals than other ones, but they just like kept it as like just clean, just like kind of bearish. back with more girlies. Let's go. We got the homie Emily May, Mania. Each time I see Emily produce a new track, she gets better and better each time. So big up to her, first of all. But we're gonna be here with Mania. Don't judge me for the costume. It's just really comfy right now, and I'm just in this. Let me be. Actually, I don't know why I'm wearing this, but we're gonna be checking out Emily because you know what? I'm JRE. I'm just random every day. I could do whatever I want. I mean, I did hear like the teasers, like where them girls, where them girls, where them girls at? Where are them girls at? Definitely with Emily. There might be some fighting here. I know she can fight. Let's check out Emily May's Mania. Where them girls at? I really like text font. Ooh. Ooh.
Eyes me, what you see, the fake no.
Oh.
Wanna fix,
Oh, you. Wait, what happened? You killed all them?
I can do it better. Tell me all your fantasies, I'll show you something harder, yeah. When I go out, it's all on
What a badass. Hey, yo. I'd be like, whoa, whoa. She likes punishing men. It seems like it. Ooh, what a badass. She looks so badass in this. What the fuck? Hold up. Is there 4K? We're gonna do 4K. Hold up. Let's go from the beginning again. One more time. She looks like she's popping off. First of all, the instrument. I think she's actually playing it, right? Or she knows how to play it.
What you see, the fake no. Wanna fix, what fear?
Damn, what
No,
you
I can't
do?
control. Thank you, but no thank you. I can do it better. Tell me all your fantasies, I'll show you something harder, yeah.
Tell me all your fantasies, I'll show you something hotter.
Yeah. When I go out, it's all on me. And I buy my rocks, I buy my rings that are all black with. Got the keys, it be like, woo.
What?
Some say I'm intimidating.
Damn, she's shaking. Is that a meme, low-key? Is that the Arthur meme?
Got the keys, it be like, woo.
Low-key, the Arthur meme, but she's angry. Look at them knuckles.
Some say I'm intimidating, they're intimidated. It's not on me, and I show you my tricks, not for free. Baby, don't you wanna play the game? All the warning signs, but you still know you wanna.
Hey, yo!
'Cause it's dark inside,
Hey, what's poppin'? What's poppin'? I'm scared. Okay. Okay. Girls, where them girls? Oh, she in the water. In a dress? With a sword? Oh, I know that was cold. With them girls. With them girls. With them girls. Okay, Miss Ma'am. Oh. Oh, nice camera action. With them girls. With them girls. With them girls. Oh, angel wings. This ma'am. Oh, nice transition. Cool. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, badass.
I look like a boss, I walk and talk like a boss. If you're
She is a boss, though. She really is. I respect it.
I'm about it, I'm an ace, you're lost, yeah. Always in my
Okay.
we up, no cool down, no. And
Okay.
the ones who try to cross me, KDOP to 0. Baby,
Okay, wait, hold up. OP to 0.
wanna play the game?
I'm not sure. Oh my god, Miss Ma'am. These are good. She looks really good, too. Where them girls, where them girls, where them girls at? Ooh. That shot was fire. Girls, where them girls at? Hey, where them girls at? That's it? Oh, wait. Ooh, directed by Yuri Park. Let's go. The way that beat drops when it first, so with them girls, it's definitely a twerk song. Legit. Hold up. Y'all not ready. But hold up, she a badass in here though. She's always been badass in my eyes, to be very honest, but production definitely even stepped up too. I love it.
Look like a boss, I walk and talk like a boss.
I like the way you say boss. I look like a boss. You gotta say it with confidence too, and she do. I look like a boss. I walk and talk like a boss. With them girls. This is a fire shot right here. This look like on some Saiyan, like you know, like Goku or Vegeta goes into like that tube thing to like heal up. Ooh, this shot's fire too. With them girls, with them girls, yo, hey. It's your boy JRE on the rhythm. You already know I'm all in. Hack the system. I don't know how I rap. I'm not a rapper. Anyways, Emily killed it. Mania. Go check it out. Link in the description. It's your boy JRE. See you till next time. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.